Guys, how do you feel that you could not become a grandmaster? No, that.
What?
No, 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 no. How do you feel that India has got a 98 grandmaster? Sorry. No, 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 no. जाते हैं हम अंदर और देखते हैं, पूछते हैं बलराज भाई, how you feeling? 98 GM आ गया है.
98th?
Yes.
Wow. Can't wait for two more over here.
Two more.
Now the standard has been set too high at the end of this first tournament that has happened. I am at a loss for words. Genuinely, this is so amazing.
Yeah. Did you ever think of, कि मतलब यही tournament में grandmaster हमको मिल जाएगा?
I genuinely wished that this would be the outcome, and to see it materialize is just blowing my mind. It's like you can. What do you call that? What is that word for?
Manifestation.
Manifestation.
और ये जो गेम हुआ, that was also such an emotional roller coaster. मतलब जीत रहा था, नहीं जीत रहा था, जीत रहा था. मतलब
I think so. When I first saw the game, it was. I mean, all odds were against him, considering everything. But again, the format is such that each players have enough time to actually roll it back also, I think. And they both played amazing, genuinely. I mean, Kannan also gave a very difficult fight. Kudos to him for doing what he did.
100%.
Because he made it very memorable for Ashwath to get his GM title. He will never forget. Ashwath will never forget this.
Ashwath will be very grateful to him.
It's very good.
And it was insane. Abhishek sir, कैसा लगा आपको? कैसा feel कर रहे हो आप?
I'm very happy. Mostly, I'm very relieved. We have a grandmaster because when we finalized the players, I was a little nervous. But the outcome is crazy. One IM norm, one GM norm, and that too a grandmaster title.
He had to score 3 out of 3.
Yeah. Crazy, and he played brilliantly. Today's game was excellent. Like, so much fighting game, and it was drawish throughout. But he fought, and finally achieved. That must be really memorable for him and
कल रात
for all the
को
fans.
everyone was anticipating होगा नहीं होगा, and finally it's happened, and everyone's gonna be so happy, sleep so peacefully today. इतने आपने मेहनत करी है, and to see that come to fruition, does that make you a little bit proud of his success?
Yeah, actually, all thanks to Buddhivar Krida Trust and Balraj for hosting this event, and I'm very thankful to Sri Kunte Kaka. I was very big fan of him. He supported me throughout, so it was just little bit from my side to help this tournament getting organized well, and I dedicate this title to him, and I dedicate this tournament also, and I wish we will have more such events.
It is such a fitting tribute to Kunte Kaka, and Ashwath has played brilliantly. Let's go inside and see कि क्या mood है, क्या माहौल बन रहा है. आप फॉलो कर रहे थे कि भैया आप देख रहे थे हमारे पास 98 ग्रैंड मास्टर आ गया. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आपको बढ़िया लग रहा है. मतलब इतना हमने आपको परेशान किया पूरे टूर्नामेंट में छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए, अब पूरा वर्थ इट लग रहा है वो. It is incredible. अभी वो आएगा और you can congratulate him. But thank you so much for the amazing hospitality here at the Habitat. I have told so many of your staff members, but it has been an absolute pleasure to be housed here. And let's see. यहाँ पर हमारे पास थोड़ा ईलो बढ़ गया है टेबल पे. ये टेबल पे मैं बैठ के खाना खाता था और यहाँ थोड़ा हाई ईलो टेबल है. Guys, how do you feel that you could not become a grandmaster? No, that.
What?
No. How do you feel that India has got a 98 grandmaster? Sorry. No. But what did you think of the game? Like, was it like a crazy game?
Yeah.
Okay, no responses here now. Okay, beef now. Okay. But okay, I'll let you enjoy your dinner and then we can get some lunch. Sorry,
What happened to you?
Again, then we can get some nice interviews. Advik, Ashwath has become grandmaster. You have got an IM norm. What a tournament. Do you have anything to say for camera? Give me content.
Yeah, I mean it's good. No, we got 2 norms. I mean we got one title. So it's very good. In my home city, it feels very good to see a GM like becoming from my side. Like when I saw him.
मतलब you've been like a very good host. क्या hospitality आप मतलब मेरे शहर में आके grandmaster बना, अच्छा लग रहा है. And Advik is becoming very good at giving interviews now. He's like, he's gonna improve more and more. इंटरव्यूज देने की प्रैक्टिस भी चालू करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, चेस्ट का ट्रेनिंग छोड़ दे, अभी इंटरव्यूज का प्रैक्टिस चालू करना पड़ेगा. भाई लोग, how are we feeling? We have India's 98 grandmaster. कैसा लग रहा है?
Very great. And hosting witnessing this moment in Pune itself, it's a great moment for us. Yeah.
You have all bunked your work, all made sacrifices to come here. Do you think it was worth it?
Yeah, of course.
Fully worth it?
We are witnessing history being made. We have witnessed the 98th Grandmaster of India. And to have it over here and have it at with Balraj Bhai present and everyone, all other international masters, grandmasters from other countries also present. It's been very exciting.
Exciting. भाई आपका नाम क्या है?
Uday Patil.
उदय पाटिल. और उदय पाटिल जी आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Yes, being a chess lover, it is a very, very nice moment.
Very
and
nice
I feel
moment.
very lucky to witness this.
Very lucky to
This is the
witness
first time I witnessing becoming a grandmaster. Yes.
भाई मतलब आंखों के सामने मतलब हम देखते हैं कि ओलंपियाड में इंडिया जीत रहा है, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में गुकेश जीत रहा है, वैशाली वो द कैंडिडेट्स, बट यू सी दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर ओन आइज एंड इट इज अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. सो इट इज एब्सोल्युटली इनक्रेडिबल व्हाट वी विटनेस. मैं देखा था भाई आप है ना टूर्नामेंट हॉल से बाहर ही नहीं जा रहे थे, आप वहीं पर बैठे हुए थे. मतलब इतना इंटरेस्टिंग मैच लगा आपको?
हाँ, of course, it was a very interesting match क्योंकि बीच में ड्रॉ ही चल रहा था
हाँ.
और दोनों साइड से ब्लंडर्स एक ब्लंडर हुआ था.
हाँ.
तो इट वाज अ रोलर कोस्टर मैच. कभी भी कोई भी जीत रहा था. लास्ट तक लग रहा था कि ड्रॉ ही होगा.
हाँ.
देन अंडर टाइम प्रेशर ही मेड अ मिस्टेक एंड वी विटनेस्ड
But
हिस्ट्री बीइंग
he
मेड.
gave a very good fight.
A very tough fight, true.
And it was incredible game. Let's go to Pune Chess Hangouts here. Pune Chess Hangouts, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling amazing. The fact that we got a 98th GM today, and it was a beautiful memory and legacy for Mr. Prakash Kamte as well.
So yeah, this was definitely a very good tribute to him. But you witnessed it with your own eyes. This game,
Absolutely.
was it like a completely different atmosphere? Can you describe how it felt in that playing hall?
Everyone was waiting with bated breath. They were like, many people could guess what way the position was going, but it was still a little dicey till the end. And towards the end, I think we were ushered outside because maybe the players were also getting a little tense, and the crowd was ushered outside, and we were watching from the commentary box from the screen. And in the end, when we realized, okay, it's done, you know, Ashwath is winning, we all came back inside, we congratulated him, and it was amazing.
It was amazing. And would you like, you know, how would you rate this experience on a scale of 1 to 10? You know, you came here, skipped your work. Would you say it was worth it?
Absolutely. Just to witness this moment of Pune creating a GM, it was amazing.
And do you think this should be a legacy that we should, you know, continue to happen every time this tournament is held over here?
Absolutely. This venue is amazing, the management is superb, and this entire team, kudos to them for all of them, all the parties that were involved in this tournament. They did an absolutely amazing job.
And thank you so much for playing your part in making this tournament feel like a festival. We absolutely had a blast in the meetups. And guys, please keep coming in 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Habitat on Saturdays.
Every Saturday.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. और देखते हैं हमारे पास कोई और. ओ हमारे पास अद्विक के दादा और अद्विक के पापा आ गए हैं. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? अद्विक आई एम नॉम स्कोर कर चुका है अपना सेकंड आई एम नॉम.
बहुत अच्छा.
और बस एक टूर्नामेंट दूर इंटरनेशनल मास्टर टाइटल से. मैंने देखा आप बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहे थे, आप बहुत खुश फील कर रहे थे, और अद्विक का कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं था. अद्विक को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था. अद्विक बोल रहा है मैं घर जाके सो जाऊंगा. तो सर आप कैसा फील करते हैं, आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं?
नेचुरली बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत
इसके
अच्छा.
अलावा कोई और सब नहीं है.
और मैंने सर से बात करी कल, और सर ने मुझे बोला कि मैं चाह रहा था कि कल अद्विक जीत जाता और आज अगर कुशागर जीत जाता तो हमको 2 नॉम मिल जाते, पर हमें वो 2 नॉम तो नहीं मिले, लेकिन हमें ग्रैंड मास्टर जरूर मिल गए. तो आपको उसके बारे में कैसा फील हो रहा है एज एन इंडियन चेस
चाह
फैन?
रहा था कल ये जीत जाता.
हाँ.
तो आज उसका भी नाम हो जाता.
हाँ, कुशाग्र का. हाँ,
तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. इसमें कोई शक नहीं.
बिल्कुल. पर अश्वथ जो ग्रैंड मास्टर बना है, हमने अभी सबने बस एक हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट देखा. कैसा
मोमेंट था, और पुणे के लिए तो फर्स्ट है.
पुणे के लिए फर्स्ट है.
पुणे के लिए फर्स्ट है.
तो दैट वाज इनक्रेडिबल. आपको मजा आया?
बहुत मजा आया.
आप बहुत आते थे, पेशेंस से बैठते थे आप.
मैं पिछले 8 दिन से आ रहा हूँ
जी.
एक दिन नहीं आया मैं संडे को. मैं बराबर में आ रहा हूँ, और मैं ये चाह रहा था कि कोई तरह अद्विक जीत जाए.
और सर आपका आशीर्वाद, आप यहाँ पर थे, मैंने अद्विक को जिता दिया है, तो थैंक यू सो मच.
नहीं, अद्विक अपनी मेहनत से जीता. आशीर्वाद तो बड़ों का हमेशा छोटों पे रहता है.
छोटों पे रहता है.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. आई होप आपको मजा आया हो ये टूर्नामेंट में.
एंड अच्छा
मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा सर. थैंक यू. आप प्लीज़ आपका लंच एंजॉय कीजिए, मैं आपको और डिस्टर्ब नहीं करूँगा. चीफ आर्बिटर से बात करेंगे अभी. चीफ आर्बिटर सर. सर हेलो सर, हाउ वाज योर टूर्नामेंट सर? Excellent. Sir, Grandmaster that was made today, did you like what did you make of it? How did you feel about the Grandmaster?
Great.
Great.
It is the 98th Grandmaster, and I am also doubly happy that he is from our state.
He's from Tamil Nadu, yeah?
Yeah.
And what did you have to say about the gameplay that was happened? Kushagra scored 4 out of 4,
Yeah.
and Ashwath scored 3 out of 3, and must-win games.
Yes.
And what a performance under pressure!
It was actually a great game. The Advik, the saddest part I can say, both the norm seekers
Yeah.
to play on the final round. Ashwath has to score, he needs a draw. That is the only
Yeah.
thing. So Kusagara tried all about, and he tried to press, and the rook ending could not improve.
How is the mood in the camp? India has got its 98 GM. Vivek bhai, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
India got 98 GM by. We got 3 GMs in last 12 days.
आप एक हफ्ते से प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हो कि GM आएगा, आ गया GM फाइनली विवेक भाई.
We had 96 GM as Ethan was from Goa. Then we had
Harshvardhan
GB from Chola Chess event, like close round robin event, and now we had like 98 GM here.
Ashwath S, what a game. And Advik also scored his I am norm. What a game भाई.
भाई amazing.
और जो फैशन में हुआ, the game was also such a roller coaster of a game. मतलब
Yes.
मजेदार गेम था.
आखिरी के टाइम पे आई वाज वाचिंग तो ब्लैक वाज विनिंग.
हाँ.
फिर उन्होंने थोड़ा गलत खेला तो ड्रॉ हो रहा था. And we were like, oh my god.
अरे
And then
यार,
again there was a
हाँ.
blunder by.
What
But
a-
anyways, it happens in time pressure. दूर से देखना और खेलने में बड़ा जमीन
पर
आसमान
क्या
का फर्क है.
इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर था. मतलब मुझे एज अ
Amazing.
फैन बहुत मजा आया.
और अब हम इंडिया जल्दी से जल्दी 100 पे जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हाउ फास्ट वी कैन गेट टू ट्रिपल डिजिट इज द पॉइंट.
जल्दी आएंगे, अभी फटाफट आएंगे.
Right.
बट व्हाट अ डे फॉर इंडियन चेस.
Wow.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.